Most people have no idea what Canva AI can actually do in 2026, and honestly, it's a game changer. So this is the only video you need to watch to learn every single feature of Canva AI. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to design an entire brand identity of a yoga and wellness brand. So stick into this amazing video. We are designing from logo to social content. So stick into this amazing stuff. Let's get started. So as you can see here, we are on our laptop screen. So all you have to do is just open Canva and you will see the Canva AI. So just select it and you will get different features: design, image, doc, code, and video clips. We will going to use all features in this video. So as we are creating the logo, in the first section of this video, so just select the design, and I have my prompt book along with me, and here is all the prompt is written which we are going to use in this particular video. So I will just copy my logo creation prompt. So I will just copy it and paste it inside the Canva AI by selecting the design. So the prompt is like minimalist yoga logo, lotus follower merged with flowing water, line art style says green and terracotta colors. Here I have already defined my colors. Zen aesthetics, white background, simple and elegant, called Zenflow. This is my brand name, Zenflow. So just hit submit and let's wait what it will generate. Okay. This logo looks good to me. I'm just selecting this logo and open it inside the editor. And this is my logo of my brand, Zenflow. So let's move to the next section of this video, creating the brand guidelines with AI. So in the first section, we have already created our logo. So now we can create amazing brand guidelines for Zenflow by using Canva Docs AI generator. So just click on this Canva AI again and select this doc. And I'm going back to my prompts book again and I'm just copy the prompt which is written to generate the brand guideline. So I'm just paste my prompt here. You can see this prompt: create a comprehensive, create a brief brand guidelines for a wellness yoga brand called Zenflow Yoga. Includes brand mission value, brand personality tone, marketing campaign ideas, content strategy for social media, competitive analysis, unique selling propositions. So you can just hit submit. If you want, you can include your logo you have generated. So you can just include your logo like this Zenflow logo we have created and hit submit. So it will take the color from it. Okay, so let's wait. So as you can see here, we have our Zenflow brief, the brand guidelines. So open this into the Canva editor. Just open this and you will see it will contain every brand values and mission. So you can just edit according to your brand font and the colors. It took yellow, but we have the terracotta and green. So we will change this color quickly with our logo. Let's quickly do that. So after making some of the few changes in our brand guideline document, you can see I have added the logo and changing the colors also. So you can see our now it looks like this. So it is seems as on branded for Zenflow. You can download it and also do the modification in later and generate it for your brand. So all the things in one place. So let's move on to the third section of this video to generate amazing images by using Canva AI. So for that, I will just select this image here and head over to my prompt book. So as you can see here, I have included couple of prompts to generate images. So this is the studio. So I will just copy this and paste it here. Also, you can change the aspect ratio styling. I have already described my styling here, the cinematic lighting. So I'm not gonna choose and I'm generating it in the landscape side. So I'm just hit submit and let's wait what it will generate. So we have 4 options. I like all of 4, but I think this one is pretty good. So if you want the higher resolution of this particular image, then click on this boost resolution. If you have the Canva Pro, then only you can generate. If you don't have, you can check out the description link where you will get 30-day extra free trial. Why not you are grabbing? Check out the description. So we have the image. So we will download this particular image. And now I will generate a couple of more images. So this one is outdoor image, one is indoor and other one is outdoor. I'm just keeping the same size. I'm also generating this instructor portrait. And this one you can see, and this is beachside yoga classes is there. So I'll generate this one. This looks pretty good. So let's generate also in the higher resolution, and instructor portrait also looks good. This is also I can generate higher resolution. So I have few of the images which I have generated. I will download all the images generated and let create an amazing designs by using these images. So in this section, we are going to create amazing designs by using Canva AI. So All you have to do is just select this design tab and select the images which we have already created in the previous section. So I'm selecting the image. This is the image I generated. I head to my prompt tool again, and for this I'm just copying the design prompt and paste it here. My prompt is right to generate an Instagram post. So I'm just selecting the social media and format. I'm selecting this Instagram post and hit submit. So it will generate amazing designs for me. If you have the brand kit, you can also select the brand kit has brand to generate the consistent on brand design. So as you can see, we have these amazing designs. So I like this one. This looks pretty amazing. The terracotta and the green is pretty much balanced everywhere. So I can just open it inside the Canva. You can see if you want, you can change it the text. So I'm changing my text according to my brand font. And then you can see I'm highlighting this 7 a.m. daily with the bold. Also, I can just change this to my logo. This is my logo I have. And now I will just crop it this and place it right here. So, and you can see within a few seconds my design is ready. Also, you can change the color of the text to your branded ones. Your own brand design is ready. So let's generate another design of flare and generating. I'm just copying this. Go to again and paste my prompt. Also, I'm selecting the different image this time. I'm choosing this one. This is the image I'm going to choose. So let's load this one, and so here you can see we have amazing design options. So I like this one. This is pretty amazing. I'm again opening this in the Canva editor and adding my logo or something. If you have already added your brand kit here, unseen up the font and everything, you can add up here. And so it will be easy for you to add all the things, the logo, and change the color in one single shot. So now you can see this each and everything. You can edit it according to your preferences. So now your flares is also ready in single prompt. If you want this prompt book, you can check out the description where you will get this amazing prompt book and you can customize the prompt according to your business. Let's move on to the next section and generate amazing videos. So in this section, we are creating amazing videos by using Canva's video clip. So I'm just selecting it. Also, I head to my prompt book again. Also, I'm just creating a video. I'm just copy this directly and pasting it here. Also, you can select the size, the aspect ratio, the styles. You can also framing adjustment writing, but I want to keep it default. So I'm just head to submit and you can see it is working and it will generally take time. Sometimes this will ask some of the question to generate the video without text. So you can just put OK. So it will start working and generate the video. Generally, video generation will take time rather than the images and the design. So hold your coffee, just send it. So as you can see here, we have our video. So I can just play this video. Okay. So it is included the Zen Flow Yoga. So this is pretty amazing video creative ad. You can include in your designs by creating the social media stuff. So you can download it and just add it in the frame and create amazing videos. So you can also generate this particular videos by multiple times by using the same prompts. Also, you can generate the logo animation. So let's quickly generate this. Just put it here, send it. Yes, okay. And let's wait. So as you can see, we have amazing animation of the logo. You can see the Zen Flow Yoga video, which you can also include while creating the social creative. Also, you can directly post it on YouTube to generate amazing leads. You can just put it the title like you are offering the workshop, also the classes. So you can download amazing creatives and the asset which is on brand. So you can see how powerful it is to generate every asset with AI within the prompts. Now, this is the last section of our video to generate amazing website by using Canva code. So for that, you can just click on this code and add your prompt. So here is my prompt for Zen Pro Yoga. I have included the color code like this. You can also include that, whatever the color code preferences you have. So you can just do that and put it here. Let's click on submit. So it will generate amazing landing pages for your service you're offering. So as you can see here, we have our website ready. Discover your inner page. You can see the Zen Pro about classes, instruction, pricing, all the section is there. You can see you can have a good form as well. You can address is there. So everything is there. So you can just publish it by using Canva's website. Also, you can do one more thing. Just add the image of yoga teacher. So it will add the image of the yoga teacher as well in this particular section. So you can publish this website and generate leads for your classes. So how easy it is to generate an entire marketing or business setup by using capacity. So you can see this is how your website looks like. You can see how professional it is. You can see testimonial, everything is there. This kind of things you can do beside the camera. So in this way, you can also create amazing business brand identity by using Canva's AI features. So let's create this, and don't forget to tag us Design Talkie on Instagram if you are sharing something about this. So till then, take care of yourself, Tata, and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video. Bye.